Hello, dear students. I hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. Today, in this class, we are going to read and discuss about the fifth chapter of moral science, that is, love forgiving. Family is like a home place of love, and we learn basic lessons of love in a family. Family is bounded by a limitless or unconditional element of love, and these unconditional and unbiased things forms a pure love. It has the power to illuminate the dark or power to destroy anyone. And where there is love, there is forgiveness. So this was the introduction on page number 21. Now come to page number 22. There are some friends who are discussing about the love among themselves. They are saying that homes are like oceans of love. Whenever we are in trouble, we always run towards our mom, and she listens to us every time. Sometimes we are punished harshly because of the wrong things that we do. As we are human beings, we commit mistakes, but doing same mistakes again and again is not a human thing. So, a punishment is given so that we can be aware of our mistakes, kind of mistakes, and its negative impact on us. We need to accept it and rectify the mistakes because any advice or instruction can't serve this purpose. For example, we are advised again and again not to talk in the class or not to fight in the bus. But still, what we do? Yeah, you are right. So, proper and timely punishment is important for the child. Now, come to page number 23, and it is written that the intention behind such punishment is the right growth of a child. We need a clean mind to understand and accept it. And all this happens because we are loved unconditionally. The same love is forgiving. You must have known about the crucifixion of Jesus Christ. He prayed for them who crucified him and forgive them. What a forgiveness! There are many such touching examples of love and forgiveness. For example, Mahatma Gandhi, Mother Teresa, and so on. And there are many living examples around us also, like our own parents. Their unconditional love and forgiveness have enabled us to be what we are now. So we should always be thankful to our parents and elders for this love and forgiveness. Now come to page number 24, and it is written that we don't know the real meaning of forgiveness and we don't value the love that we get. That's why we turn out to be hateful and revengeful. So, if we want to avoid the tensions from our life, then we have to understand the value of forgiveness and practice it in our life. So, students, practice of forgiveness brings greater happiness and peace in our life. So, let us try to live in these values of love and forgiveness always. Thank you, dear students.